So when you go from the conscious subconscious mind to the conscious mind, then you come into the area of the conscious mind. Conscious mind is an area where you get into that zone. So when you go into the conscious mind, then you have mental clarity. So your lack of confidence is overcome by gaining confidence in your life. So whatever you want to achieve, why you are not achieving? Because you are still operating in the subconscious mind. So once you go into the conscious mind, the first thing you will get is clarity of the mind. So when the clarity of the mind is there, then you are going to operate with so much of clarity. Your super conscious ginta munche, from the subconscious mind you come into your conscious mind. Today 90% of you are operating in the subconscious mind. Ayo, my whole life has become haywire. My whole life has become topsy-turvy. So what am I going to do from tomorrow? You don't know. Because there is no clarity. Why there is no clarity? Because your confidence level is zero. Because you lack confidence. And because of this lack of confidence, you are still operating in the unknown areas of your own life, that is your mental life. You don't have clarity. What I am trying to tell you is, your mind should be razor sharp with clarity. That's very important. You have to understand this clarity. You don't know what to do. You are waiting for a last moment response from your own colleagues, your own industry, your own superiors, your own bosses. Because you are a coward. I can tell you, 100% you fellows are all cowards. Don't have clarity in life. You are fear. Fear. There is no clarity. Mental fear, moral fear, all this kind of mental baggage, mental rubbish is there in the mind. And the right hand side of the brain, you have 10 billion cells ready to explode. When you do a sadhana, one cell will give you 1 week worth of knowledge. One sadhana, if you open up just one cell on your right hand side of the brain, when there are 10 billion cells waiting for an opportunity for your prana to pierce on the right hand side of the cell, and that cell is a cell of honey. A honey ಜಿಗ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಆ ಹನಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಚಿಮ್ಮೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಿತ್ತ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಪಿತ್ತ. So when the Brahmapitta settles in your brain, then your whole body is charged with vitality, vital energy. This vital energy gives you vitality. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರೋ, ವೈಟಮಿನ್ ಬಿ, ವೈಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ, ವೈಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ, ವೈಟಮಿನ್ ಕೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ one sadhana, whether it is a closed door sadhana or whether it is a open window sadhana. Sadhana, you should allow fresh air to come in, fresh light, fresh air to come in. Then your brain will be energized with sunlight and fresh air. Have a nice seat, an asana, facing east or facing north. This is where the energy comes in, the spiritual energy comes in. So when you do this kind of a sadhana, facing east or facing north, then automatically the fear of the unknown called as the superstitions, mental and lack of confidence will go away, and what comes in is confidence. What is removed from you is mental sluggishness, mental imagination. Because you are operating only in that mental imagination zone, which is the subconscious mind. Then your subconscious mind is removed and you find so much of clarity in thinking. Not only that, your whole family, your own children will benefit. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ? ಏನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳಿಗೂ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You fellows, you don't understand the energy you are giving to your children, you don't understand. Because ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಕೂತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಮೂರ್ಖತನ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಪರಮಾವಧಿ ನೀವು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ದುಡ್ಡು, ಆಸ್ತಿ, ಅಂತಸ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಾರಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ, ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ನ್. If not with a golden spoon, at least we should have a golden and a silver thought. Forget golden spoon, forget a silver spoon. You should have a golden or a silver thought in your brain, and that will materialize within 48 days of that thought. That is conscious mind. And that sadhana will get all those nuggets in your heart. That nuggets of wisdom, nuggets of gold and silver. Think. You are not thinking of a golden thought or at least a silver thought. Once you start analyzing that analyzation in the subconscious, in the conscious mind, will make it trigger and make it happen. It will make it happen. It will make it happen in you, because there is so much of moral fear in you. Come out of that moral fear. Come out of your subconscious mind and you start operating from your conscious mind. Then all the superstitions will go away from you, or the mental imagination will go off from you. Then what is left is only imagination in its full bloom and its full swing. And imagination comes from where? Comes from the right hand side of the brain. Elinda barutte imagination? Imagination means creativity. When imagination, what is the other name of imagination? Creativity. You become creative. How many thoughts, how many days you spend with creativity inside you? You will not. Half the time, 90% of the time, you are all dead and gone. There is no brain cells on the right hand side of the brain at all. You have all made it dormant. You have made it obsolete. There is no dormantion or dormacity in the right hand side of the brain at all. ನೀವೇನು ಅಂದರೆ ಸತ್ತೋರಿದ್ದಂಗೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಡೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲೈವ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಡೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲೈವ್. ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಶೋಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಡೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್. Tell me, where are you creative? You are only thinking of money in your pocket. Have you ever even observed, I can be creative with my brain intact? When I am telling you have a 10 billion cells, to me it is as good as you having 10 billion highest value of currency, including gold, silver and everything inside your brain. Have you ever understood? So much of wealth inside your brain you have. What do you think you are? When you come into your superconscious mind, your conscious mind, so much of wealth is there in your mind, I say. Come into your conscious mind, where you can automatically, you understand what is right, what is wrong. You will understand what is right for me, what is absolutely not wrong at all, what is right at all, not working right for me, because your subconscious mind is only working on the negative side. Allow your mind to work positively inside you. Allow your mind to work positively in you. Make your mind positive. See, here in front of me, I have one piece of rusk or some rusks. If you were me, I would tell you my way. ನೀವು ನಾನೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. This piece of rusk, whatever you call it, if I were you, I would only imagine this is a bar of gold. This is a bar of silver. Because we only know what is a bar of gold, what is a bar of silver. So instead of eating this rusk, I don't imagine, I make it happen. I already have a piece of rusk. So I am chewing now a piece of gold. It will go into my stomach. So I am getting a sense of well-being. Today, I have chewed a piece of gold. So if I make a piece of rusk getting into my stomach as if it is a piece of gold, I have eaten a piece of gold. Now that piece of gold gets into my conscious mind. So today I have eaten, what time it is? At 2 o'clock I have eaten a piece of gold. Now it goes into my stomach, and in my stomach I always get a feeling in my mind, I have already eaten a small piece of gold. And that piece of gold gets into my mind, and in that mind there is a sense of well-being. Whatever you eat, you take it, that kind of a positive affirmation in your mind. Today I have eaten a piece of gold. Next piece you eat, it can be a piece of silver, or it can be a couple of pieces of diamonds, pieces of nice gemstones. Like how kind of a confidence you get by wearing a gold bangle or by wearing a gold ring. Like that, you just imagine it by putting it in your conscious mind, not in the subconscious mind. Because most of you fellows, you will say, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚಿನ್ನ ಆಯಿತು ಏನಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. You also don't know where you kept it. And what you got from keeping your gold is only some few papers called as currency. ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ, ನೀವು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ನೋಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ನೋಟೆ, ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರೇ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಈಗ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾರಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಚ್ ಅ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೆಷಿಯಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ನೋಟ್, ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಖುಷಿ? Where is that confidence? That kushi brings you confidence in your mind.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.